Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day out, so what do you say we go inside and cook, huh? So last night I cooked me a chicken in the Emeril cooker. It's a whole chicken, and I pressure cooked it for 15 minutes. Used Trader Joe's barbecue seasoning, dry seasoning, as a rub. Very good. Then I air fried it for 15 minutes, and it was good. So today I pulled off a bunch of the meat, and then what was left I threw in the pressure cooker for an hour and 15 minutes, and some veggies that were at the end of their shelf life, some spices, and that's what happened. Oh, and that's the seasoning I was talking about. Good stuff as a rub. So anyway, this is the broth I made from the leftovers of the chicken. I strained it and came up with this. And now we're going to try a chicken noodle soup. What do you say? So I'm going to dump the chicken in there, except there's a chicken leg hiding in there. Probably won't cook that. We also have some frozen veggies. Let's throw them in the pot. And I've got some frozen peppers from Trader Joe's. We'll throw those in. Okay. I found some tomato paste. We'll throw that in. And this stuff's pretty good. Stir-in paste. We'll throw that in too. Okay, I've added my homemade broth. It smells so good. And man, you can just drink it, sip it. It's so good. Okay, we've got some sea salt. Let's just add a little bit of that. Just a little. I'm not big on salt, but my lovely assistant has to have her salt. It's in her contract. Let's add some pepper. I like pepper. Okay, pepper, salt. Soup loves Mrs. Dash. So add just a little Mrs. Dash. And bay leaves. I used bay leaves making the broth too. Never really used bay leaves until I started getting into the whole griddle cooking thing. And now I use them a lot. Cumin. I like cumin. Smells like chili. And we say we add a little thyme. If you've got the time, we've got the beer. Just a little. And, I bought this a long time ago and I never use it. I wasn't thrilled with it. I'm not crazy about everything Trader Joe's puts out, so let's just dump a little in there. It's got all that stuff. Yeah, can't hurt, right? Now you probably noticed I didn't put onion because I just didn't, so there. So let's dump a little of this in. La 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 la. La la la. That should do it. And we got some elbow macaroni. This is a 7-ounce package. It's a smaller package, which is handy. Let me check the time and make sure I don't overcook it. Yeah, this should work. I'm not stirring anything. I'm just putting it in there and leaving it. I'm gonna find a lid from wherever I left it. And hold on. So the fancy new Emeril cookers have the dial. This has buttons. Let's see what's that say. Oh, I don't want that one. And wait a minute. We'll see what that does. What do you say? Okay. Come back in a minute and see what happens. Okay, y'all. It's been 3 minutes of cooking time, which translates into like half an hour of pressurizing and then opening the vent and unpressurizing. But I'd say that looks like soup. What do you say, huh? Get a little bit of chicken, a little veggies here. Yum. I'm going to have it a sip. Let me slurp my soup here. The veggies are perfect. That's good soup. It's pretty easy, other than, cooking. But it's one of my better soups, I think. Maybe. Okay. It's a thumbs up from me. So we'll add some crackers, throw them in a bowl, or maybe throw them in a bowl and then add the crackers. But yeah, that's a wiener. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, sharing, liking, subscribing, constructive comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!